Hi, so I'm going to show you the difference between a French braid and a Dutch braid. So I'm going to do one side with the French and one side with the Dutch. So a French braid, I would explain it as it's plaiting into the hair, and a Dutch braid is plaiting out the hair. I'm going to show you the Dutch braid first of all, because I've done a couple of techniques now using the French braid, so this is going to be the Dutch braid side. Start from the front, so getting my first triangular section out of that top front part there. And I'm just going to do these braids from the front all the way down. Getting that into 3 sections using my two fingers to split that in 3. And this is where it's different to maybe what you're used to. You're going to go under instead of over. So getting that first section, and I'm going to go under my middle. So my middle part is going over that side, and then taking my other side under that middle section again. So we've got those, and again taking this section, middle section now, again under there. But I'm also going to add in a little from this side here, which is joining in that under section that I've just done. And then that's all together, keeping the tension under the middle again. Keep that in my hand so I can get this next section, scoop in some hair. Sometimes when I'm working that way, I'll go that way instead so I can scoop it up if the hair goes down. So now I'm tucking this under with that under section. So that is actually here. So grab that, and there we go. So that's under. And again, the other side, tucking under, keep that in my hand, grabbing a new section. So I'll just join it in. Here we go. So again, that's gone underneath. And again, twisting the other side to go under. So I'll scoop up that section with my thumb. Use that hand to move that away, and then join in with that scooped section. So that's gone under that middle. And then again, next section under the middle. Keep that in my hand, grab my next sections. My under section is here. Let's just blend it in already with that. And again, you want to tuck again the other side under. So I'm just going to continue that down. I'm just going to move ahead so you can see. Okay, so I've reached the bottom, and I'm just again tucking that under to tighten that section that I've just done up. And then I'm going to continue down the hair, just tucking under. Coming to the ends of her hair now. So here's the ends, grabbing my band. And that is a Dutch braid. So that is a Dutch braid that's plaited outwards. So the other side, I'm going to do the French braid, and that is where it's going into the hair. And then once I've got that section, just going to split that into 3 sections. Do my first 2 crossovers, so my face side over the middle and the other side over to the middle. And then we've done our crossovers there. Now this is when you start joining in the sections of the hair from the head. and grab a section from the head to join in with that one I've just took over. Again, crossing over the top to that new section, and then going to grab more hair from the head to put in that section I just crossed over. Grabbing that section, so crossed over already. No, I didn't. It's here. So if you do forget to cross over, just join it in with the side. This is another way you can do it, just joining it in before crossing over into my knuckles. I find it easier. And there we go. So there's crossed over now there. So make sure you keep your sections nice and neat and tension. So pull in the tension round as you're going along. Just crossed over again to get my next section, and once I've done this one I'm just going to continue down. So again, cross over, blend in with that section I just crossed before, and there. So now I'm just going to continue down using that same technique. Okay, come to the bottom, and I'm just going to cross over to secure that, and then just going to continue crossing over the top down. Come to the ends, grab the bobble or band. There we go, it's securely in place. So now you can see that that is plaited in the hair. I'm going to show you the difference from each one. So you see that's out on top of the head and that's into the hair. And that is your Dutch and French braid. So now also going to show you how you can make those a bit baggy if you like. So what you want to do to just make it a bit baggy is you want to pull the ends and fan it out. So you just get in the ends of each section and fanning it out. Okay, so that's nicely fanned out. You can do it more if you want it more messy, but I'm going to leave it as that. And then for the French braid side, so again, you want to make sure you're grabbing the ends rather than the tops. So where it's curving in, pulling that to fan out. There we go, so that one is fanned out as well. So there we have it. Hope that was helpful.